Sally, Grizzly, the never ending. Yo. Okay. Yo, I was only 13 when you passed away. I was crying every day. In my mind, I be just zoned out somewhere, just missing somewhere. I be missing in action somewhere in space. Really, I wasn't really there. I was thinking of you so much. Why did you have to move away? Oh no, you passed away when I was only 13. I just was so bitched up, fucked up in the head. I be fighting all the time. I be fucking trying to start shit with people. People be fucking push me away to the side. I was been the outcast, the unknown. Everybody thought I was one weird cat, but it's okay, you know, because life is too short. You gotta move yourself up on top. Fuck the bullshit, you gotta move yourself out of that fucking toxic waste of a mind. Gotta push forward, move forward in time. Things won't get better, but you know I was only 13 with all the bullshit happened. I was 14 when I got locked up and I was in jail for 30 fucking days. It was a fucking trip. I was only 14. I was just right there locked up, sitting, writing my thoughts in a journal, reading and writing what I got to say. Every day was a different day. Every day was different. People treating you like shit, putting you to the fucking side. It was a trip. It was such a miss. Oh man, I'd be thinking, hey, when am I gonna be out? When am I gonna be pushed out? When am I gonna go home and see my mama? And I just don't wanna be here, just thinking about fucking just doing suicidal thoughts. It was so crazy. I was here when people just trying to start shit with the littlest things. People try to claim their shit, and I was just right there trying to mind my own fucking business. People trying to start shit for the dumbest reasons.